Good morning. Look, on this particular video, I am going to show you how we were able to make a 600% gain on EUR USD. Now, here's the cool part is we're doing this all the time. And what I mean by we, I'm talking about me and everyone that's in my Gold Zone setup room. Now, before we get into this whole strategy and all that good stuff, I want to show you the Gold Zone setup room. All right. So over here on my website, 48 Trading, you will be able to see in this link underneath this video that you're going to see three different setup rooms. We have NASDAQ, EUR USD, and also SPY. Right, so this is good for options traders, forex traders, and also indices or even futures traders. Now, if you want to catch these setups and do the same thing that I am getting ready to show you, you literally just hit this subscribe button at the bottom. We have Gold Zone Tier 1, and we also have Gold Zone Tier 2. You can go get you a membership. This is monthly, and we'll be able to absolutely just smash the markets. All right. Now, what these things will actually look like on the inside is this. So every morning you will see the date. So make sure the date is up to date. Trading View, the broker that we're going to be using, and also some rules. But here's what I really want you to pay attention to right now is every morning you will see a screenshot. Right, this will be a screenshot of how you need to set up your charts each morning, and also you will get a video with me talking about how we're actually going to trade the thing that we're seeing on the screenshot. So each morning you will get the screenshot and also an explanation of how we're going to trade based upon the setup that I am seeing. Now, the cool part about this is it doesn't matter if you're at work. It doesn't matter if you have other priorities to do. You don't have to worry about me saying buy now, sell now. No, I'll give you a whole explanation breakdown and you can take it at your convenience. Right, you just set up your charts the same way and set an alert. So once we get to our gold zone, as you're about to see in this video, you just execute. All right. Now, let's get into our actual setup on EUR USD. So on this particular morning, which was yesterday, July 22nd, I can clearly see, and I'm sure that you can clearly see that we have this downtrend right here, but it looks like price is starting to reverse back up to the upside. All right, so it's very, very clear to see that we possibly could see in price reverse back up to the upside and start getting some more higher highs. All right, now every morning I start trading at I look at my setups around 5:45 and I'm ready to get into the market at 6 o'clock. Now, when I say I'm ready to get into the market at 6 o'clock, I'm not saying, hey, we're just going to get in at 6 o'clock. I'm saying that I want to have my framework done by 6 o'clock. I want to have everything prepared by 6 a.m. Eastern time. Okay. Now, what I'm simply going to do is I clearly see that we are in an uptrend. So where is some strong levels? That's the next start. Where are some really strong levels for EUR USD? Now I see that we have this level right here. This is a very powerful level. We got to break, retest back at a key level for a push back up to the upside. Now, since I seen that, and I know that it is 5:45 at this moment, we've already touched this zone level. My next start is what's the next key level? And it's simply this horizontal line right here. It simply is that. I'm not looking for anything else besides that. Now, I'm not looking for this. I'm not looking for that. Even though price may come to this, I'm still not looking for that. I'm only looking for a gold zone to be at this key level. Why am I looking for that only? It's because once I seen that we had already got a breakout to the upside, once we got a breakout retest, in my head, at this point, I'm not really worried about this. This is, even though again, price may come to this, I'm not concerned about this anymore because for me, we've done pushed up to the next level because we got to break, retest. So for me, this is kind of voided out now, right? I don't need that. All my focus is now is where's price headed to next? And we have this key level here. Now, how are we going to trade once we get to this key level? There's two things that we're going to do. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to simply look to follow the rhythm of the market, and we're going to look for a short position. That's the first thing I wanted to see is a short position to the downside. We had a very tight stop loss on this this first one, because I understood that we were already in a bullish position where we could possibly see price break out to the upside, right? So I'm already prepared just in case this trade goes against us, but I want to take advantage if it does not. If this is a double top, I want to take advantage of this trade for a pushback down to the downside, right? So first thing that we do is we look to short this to the downside. Now I'm going to rewind it. Now, boom. As you can see, price absolutely like flies through this, so we lose our first trade. That's okay. Literally, all this stuff that I'm explaining to you, I explained it in the video. So even if you didn't want to, the morning video, so even if you didn't want to take this short position because it was a little risky, then you don't have to. But what you was supposed to take was this setup right here. Whenever you see price close above a key level as such, what I like to call a gold zone level, whenever you see price close above, your next position should be, hey, I want to go back to the gold zone level. We had stop loss at 10. No, we had stop loss at 7. I'm sorry. We had stop loss at 7 on this particular trade. I want to see price come back to this key level before I get in for a long position. See, what a lot of us do is we get in right here. We'll say, okay, I'm going to just get in now. Now, some days it may work, but why not be safe? Why not get into a position where you know you can play good defense and good offense by just applying a little bit of patience, right? So if once price closed above, our next step is, hey, let's see where price, let's see if price comes back to this key level. We're not going to wait. Once we see price get to this key level, we're simply going to go for a long position. And it's as simple as that. And that is what we did. This next candle, boom. This next candle that touched here, that was our entry point. Boom. And it was already set. So the only thing you had to do was literally just come in and just take the trade. Boom. And that's all she wrote. And that's it, y'all. 6-1. Just like that. Just like that. Very, very, very simple. And this is what we do every morning. Literally, I just gave y'all everything that we do every morning. We simply look for gold zones. I explain how to take the trade at the gold zone, and all we do is execute at that point. All right. So look, God bless you. Get ready. Another video is about to come out on me talking about NASDAQ and also SPY for my options traders. All right. Bye.